Hello, welcome back. Today we're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're working on puzzle number 81. Let's see, let's start with this box. We're missing a 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here and an 8 there, so that means this is our 2, 6, and 8. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 there, so 6. And 8 there, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 6. Oh, how did we already make a mistake? We can't have 2 7s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, that made quick work of today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me. We will be back again tomorrow with our next puzzle. Hopefully it will go better than today's. Please do leave a comment down below if you see where I already made a mistake. And it has something to do with right here, I can see. All right, well, we will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.